Yo, what's up, everyone? My name is Andrew Warren, and I hope you all are having a great day today. It is a Monday, and as you can see, the market is down just a little bit. At least my portfolio is. VOO is down significantly, and I'm assuming SPY is down as well. We'll check that out. It's usually pretty similar to VOO. Yeah, it's down 2.71, 2.69. So pretty significant. It's at $222. I think VOO is almost at 200, which is pretty crazy considering that I bought into VOO at about $280. Let's check that out. I think it was mid-December is when I bought it at. So basically about 280, yeah, right in that range right there. Yeah, 280, 290. So I bought at a pretty high price, as you can see. And over the past 5 years, VOO is actually up only 6.15%. And if you really think about that, that is absolutely crazy. That right there means that if you bought this 5 years ago from today, you would only be up 6.30%, which is really significant when the major goal of any investor is to achieve at least a 10% gain every year, considering that that's pretty easy to attain if you invest in index funds and stuff along those lines. So we're getting to the point of this crash being very, very significant, and a lot of people are talking about how we're already in a recession, and obviously we've had a few pretty significant crashes, as you can see. You can call it one big crash, but I see it as a lot of different crashes because we've got a few dead cat bounce rebounds, and then it just crashes even harder, as you can see. And also, by the way, if you guys do enjoy these daily portfolio updates and just letting you all know what I'm doing in the market right now, please make sure to smash that like button, drop a like on the video. I really do appreciate it, and it does help me get discovered by newer audience members. And considering that my channel is pretty new here, that definitely helps me out because it is pretty hard to get discovered when you're just a brand new channel on YouTube. Aside from all of that, I just wanted to show you all a quick video telling you about what moves I'm making in the stock market right now, like what stocks I'm buying. And I actually recently spent about $1,400 on stocks. To be more precise, it was about $1,376. And all of this was spent on one single stock. I didn't buy a wide variety with this amount of money. I simply just put it all into one stock. And you can probably guess it already if you keep up with my channel, and that stock is Microsoft. So I'm going to show you what I spent on it per share. Now keep in mind that this was a few days ago, so today is basically almost the lowest that Microsoft has been over this complete timeline of various drops that we've been seeing. So the $135 marker is about the lowest that we've seen aside from this little drop right here, which is $132.99, which I do wish I was up to buy these shares at this time. But what happened was I set my alarm from my phone to check out the pre-market at 9 a.m. and I saw that it was up this high, and I just rolled back over and went to sleep because I thought, okay, there's going to be no buying opportunities today, I guess. And then I woke up at like 12 a.m. where I realized that I missed out on a pretty good sale. But anyways, as you can see, on March 20th, I purchased 4 shares for the price of $139.30, and that totaled at $557.20. And then once again on March 20th, which was Friday, I spent another $819 in total at a cost of $136.50 per share for 6 shares. So in total, I bought 10 shares of Microsoft for about $1,400. And as you can see, the price per share is much lower now, which I'm pretty excited about because if it can get down to that $132 marker or $133 marker, I'm going to pull the trigger and buy some more. And as you can see right here, I do have a limit buy placed, which is a limit price of $133 for 2 shares. And that's just because, like, that's all the money I have in my account right now. Until I transfer a little bit more, I can't buy any more Microsoft. But as you guys know, I'm a big supporter of Microsoft. I think this stock has so much potential in the next few years. And as you can see already, it has done tremendous in the past 5 years. And even in the past year, it's still not negative, even after this big drop. And it's up 215%, which is absolutely amazing for a stock. It is one of the most well-performing, consistent stocks that I have seen on Robinhood. And I think that this is a great opportunity to buy at a lower price. I know that I say this in a lot of other videos, but it's something that I truly believe. I'm a big fan of Microsoft stock, and as you can see from the research report, the fair value is $185. So it is on sale, and I will say I'm starting to get more interested in Apple at this price tag right here. $219 is under the fair value according to Morningstar, and I bought a lot of Apple when it was more expensive back in December, and then bought some slowly over time in January. And honestly, Apple being down only about 23% 23% considering when I started investing in the company, I'm actually pretty happy with how it's handled the whole market drops and recession so far. And the reason that it hasn't lost that much is because it has done so well over the past few months, just with the sale of the new iPhones and the new AirPods. So that is certainly helping out Apple, and I do think that if I can get Apple in the $200 range, that I will definitely look into buying some more shares. Although it is sad to see that I bought Apple near one of its higher price points, I am pretty happy that I just haven't lost too much money. Honestly, minus 23% isn't bad compared to a lot of the other stocks out there like Boeing and many others like VOO that are usually praised for being pretty safe stocks that are losing much more in percentage than ones like these. But so far, Microsoft has been a very resilient stock. I'm going to be honest, I am super impressed with how it's handling this whole situation. As you can see from the past year, it's down a little bit, but it is still doing pretty well, and it's pretty resilient. As you can see, it's only down 15% for when I first started purchasing it. I think that out of all of my shareholdings and my watch lists, Microsoft is probably one of the most resilient stocks that I've seen during this whole market situation. Anyways, I just wanted to share this video with you all and update you on the moves that I'm making in the market currently. I've always been a big fan of watching other YouTubers share their portfolio and share what moves that they are making, especially people like Jeremy from Financial Education, Andre Jick, and people like Stephen Mark Ryan from Solving the Money Problem. So as a person that is also a consumer of these videos, I decided to make videos like this as well because I personally think it's interesting, so I hope you guys do feel the same way. And also, if you're new to investing and want to get started with it, I'll leave my referral links down for Robinhood and Webull, in which you'll get some free stocks below, so feel free to sign up and check out those links. But anyways, I appreciate you all watching, and I hope you have a fantastic week.